Hello. Welcome to Top Living. Today we will be assembling a base unit. Place the two gables on a flat surface. First insert the pins and dowels into the holes in the two gables. The pins and dowels go in the pre-drilled holes at the top and bottom of the gables. Next, insert the cams into the holes in the base, back and top rail. Align the gables with the base and gently tap the two pieces together. Using a screwdriver, turn the cams in order to lock them. Align the other gable with the base, top rail, and back. Gently tap the pieces together. Using a screwdriver, turn the cams to lock them. Attach the legs holders to the base of the unit using screws. Insert the legs into the legs holder attached to the base and adjust the height as required. Finally, insert the shelf supports into the gables. Place the shelf on the shelf support. Your unit is complete and ready to be fitted. Thanks for watching.